Welcome to Joe's Dashboards tutorial part 4, Adding Vehicles. Hello, my name is Joe. In this video, I will show you how to add a new vehicle in Joe's Dashboards. Once you log into Joe's Dashboards as an admin, you can start adding and working with vehicles. For the first 5 vehicles added, your account will be in test mode, allowing you to try out all the features without paying. Once you add a 6th vehicle, the system will prompt you for your credit card and start charging the monthly fee of $6 per vehicle for all active vehicles. If you deactivate a vehicle, that vehicle will not be charged in the next month's billing cycle. If you activate an additional vehicle during the month, you will be charged for that vehicle in the current month. After clicking on the Add New Vehicle link, enter a short and unique ID. Then, click on the Add Vehicle button. Once the vehicle is added, the admin can use the Setup Wizard to complete the configuration. This process includes setting up planned maintenance, regional maintenance, and driver inspection, along with other information like pictures. To start the Setup Wizard, use the Edit icon located besides the vehicle ID. Until you provide valid information, all the requested information has a red border. If you provide invalid information, a message will be displayed underneath the input box. The Vehicle Identification Number, or VIN, is the unique vehicle number, which can often be found in the driver door or dash. You can provide the VIN or the vehicle's brand, model, and year. If you provide the VIN, the system will attempt to auto-determine the brand, model, and year of the vehicle for you. By pressing the Next button, you'll be directed to the next step of the setup of the vehicle information. The system will auto-determine the fuel type and purpose of the vehicle. The tank capacity shows the fuel level capacity of the vehicle's tank and has to be entered. There are 2 options available for the vehicle usage level, namely normal and intensive. The default is set to normal. In the next step, there are 2 options available, admin and mechanics, which allow you to select vehicle maintenance plans and set up all trigger values. By selecting mechanics, the 4 next steps, which are related to maintenance, will need to be filled by the mechanic. In this example, we will select admin. In this step, a preventative maintenance plan is scheduled for this vehicle. By checking generic passenger car plans for general usage, the system shows the distance and day intervals between maintenance plans and prompts you to enter information about the next job to be done and the date and odometer value at the last executed job. Here, regional regulatory requirements can be added as the preventative maintenance as well. For this vehicle, which is in the Quebec region, regulatory tire change is required. Here, the vehicle data, such as odometer and hours meter, can be set or be captured at the first transaction. If you set the meter value here, you must provide the date when that meter value was recorded. In this step, 1 or more inspections can be checked for the vehicle. If you wish, you can add more information about the acquisition cost and date, book value and date, license plate and expiry, warranty expiry, decommission date, and the vehicle description. In the last step, you can add your vehicle's photos if you want. The vehicle panel also provides an option to produce a PDF file. When this button is clicked, a PDF will be produced with all the information in the panel. In the next video, I will show you how a driver would use Joe's Dashboards.